Cookie price prediction. Cookie is faced with a massive amount of selling pressure, especially right here on this level. And we have 110 buys, 117 sales, 93 mils, buys, 99 mil sales. Yes, it's around a 10% difference, but it is weak buying pressure here and selling pressure all the way. Where are the buys then? Where are they hiding? So they're basically from here, from what we can see, all the way down. So buying in any of these levels will be sufficient, would be seems like a good idea. Obviously this video is no financial advice. All of these levels right here, without these ones, so up to here. So as levels that is 0851 to 0603, this is the accumulation area. So anytime we go in here, it would be a good idea to buy. Placing shorts would also be sufficient, especially at the point of control and the value area high 96, and take profit would be here where we'll be switching to buys. It really depends on Bitcoin's price. Cookie is not the best coin for today that I'm interested in. Obviously there's better ones that we just talked about, but if you want to see how I am up 280 grand on meme coins, I'll have links in the description down below to my Signals chat and course.